Hi, Mark here. It's Monday, August the 11th, going on 8 a.m. Eastern. That's going on noon GMT. US session about to get underway and getting ready for the afternoon portion of the European session. Let's see how the markets are shaping up this morning, starting US dollar index and US dollar starting on a strong foot this morning, picking up from where it left off last week on Friday. I've got support at 97.85. I've got resistance at 98.26. Buyers will be looking to test break above this resistance level. Sellers, of course, looking to test the support. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see the strong push through the end of Asian European session, and now going into the US session, US dollar certainly on a strong footing going into the US Open. Let's have a look at the S&P. We're an hour and a half away from Wall Street opening up, so we're looking at the futures market right now, and that's positive for the S&P. You're seeing a strong start. I've got support at 6,408 and I've got resistance at 6,428. But S&P starting on the front foot, demand for equities going into Wall Street opening up. Buyers will be looking to test break above this resistance level. Sellers, of course, will look to turn things around and below the 6,004 and will look to test below 6,400. Let's have a look at gold. Gold certainly being sold off. Inverse relationship. We saw US dollar starting strong going into the US Open, and we certainly see that gold has been sold off during the Asian and European session. I've got resistance at 3,392, and I've got support at 3,349. That's over $40 move already before the US session gets underway. Inverse relationship, we saw US dollar starting off strong and strong US dollar, weak gold. Added to the sell-off in gold could be the start of the new week with Trump's tariffs coming into play and a little bit of nervousness there, and gold being sold off accordingly. We'll see once the US session does get underway. Gold could well take its lead from the way the US dollar performs. But for now, we're seeing the inverse relationship playing out. Let's have a look at Brent oil. After a strong sell-off last week, went on for 7 days, support all the way down here at 65.75. Oil is fighting back today. I've got resistance over 67. There it's sitting at 67.02. If I zoom in on the hourly, you'll see the strong demand for oil. Oil testing resistance right now, looking to test break above the $67 mark. Sellers will be looking for a turnaround off this area and looking back down at support, which is sitting at 65.75. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Certainly started the week really strong. You can see that I've got support at 118.9 thousand. Let's call that 119,000, and resistance all the way up here at 122.3 thousand. Has given up a lot of those gains. There's certainly been a turnaround. It's given back at least half of those gains. Let's zoom in on the hourly. There you see the turnaround during the European session from the resistance up here over 122,000, sitting right now at 120,000. At 120,000, tough level for buyers to have broken above. Now we'll see if that can be maintained and if buyers can step in and look back at this resistance level. So sellers will be looking down at the $119,000 support area. So to start the day, strong US dollar. We've seen that. We'll see if that can be maintained during the US session. S&P has started on the front foot again. We'll see if that can be maintained. Gold been sold off heavily, over $40 already. We'll see if that changes, if buyers do step in, I guess, depending on how the US dollar performs. Oil certainly fighting back after a large sell-off last week. Bitcoin started strong, given up a lot of the gains already today, and we'll see whether buyers can get back up to that 123,000 high, 122.5, 122.3 thousand, which was already tested this morning. Good trading, keep that discipline, and I'll see you at the end of the session.